In this video we shall discuss data logical modeling objectives. With data logical level, we are still working with subject matter, but unlike conceptual level, this level forces us to regard database type or even some DBMS we've already selected. Here we also work with entities, attributes, but we also pay a lot attention to relationships, keys, some indexes and views. According to official definition, we have to take into account our infological schema and corresponding information, but here we are still abstract from physical implementation that will take place on the next level of database modeling. So the main objective here is to create a model that represents database structure in the best way possible, and to achieve that goal we have to take into account some ideas. We are going to continue subject matter analysis, we are going to use top-down and bottom-up approaches, and of course we shall pay attention to some technical aspects. Of course, we've done a lot of subject matter analysis on the previous level, but this process never ends. With each iteration we discover new details. Maybe we have some questions to customer and we have to get answers to those questions, or maybe we've discovered some errors and we have to fix that errors. And we have to get a lot of iterations here, and with all those iterations we answer new questions, we fix some errors, and we are making our database better. We have to mind top-down and bottom-up approaches, and we have to take both ways to make our database both subject matter adequate, so we have to look at the infological level of modeling, and we have to make our database useful for applications, so we have to look to the physical level, and we have to make some iterations here once again to make our database better. Of course, most technical aspects are for physical level, but a lot of technical questions arise here. So we have to understand target DBMS, know SQL well, know relational theory and so on, because otherwise we risk either violate something from subject matter or violate something from technical usability, and we do not want to violate either. But in general, this level looks rather similar to infological modeling. Yet still, here we concentrate on database structure and more technical details than we had there. And in the next video we shall discuss some data logical modeling tools and techniques.